Most service business owners compare Housecall Pro and Workiz the wrong way. They focus on marketing pages and feature lists, but ignore the one thing that actually matters. Which platform fits the way their business operates every day? Here's the truth no one tells you. Both Housecall Pro and Workiz are excellent field service management platforms, but they're designed with slightly different priorities in mind. In this video, you'll learn the real differences between Housecall Pro and Workiz in 2026. We'll compare scheduling, dispatching, customer management, reporting, automation, and overall value, so you can make the right decision for your business. Let's start with the quick answer. If you want a user-friendly platform that is easy to learn and quick to implement, Housecall Pro is often the better choice. If you need stronger call management tools, advanced automation, and more operational control, Workiz may be the better fit. But here's the problem. Many business owners don't realize how important daily workflow is until they've already committed to a platform. Imagine Jake owns a plumbing company with 6 technicians. Every day he schedules jobs, sends estimates, collects payments, and communicates with customers. Both Housecall Pro and Workiz can handle these tasks effectively. Housecall Pro is known for its clean interface and simple user experience. Many teams can start using it quickly without extensive training. Estimates, invoices, online booking, and customer communication are all straightforward. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Workiz places a stronger emphasis on operational control. It offers features that many growing service businesses appreciate, including call tracking, call recording integrations, lead management capabilities, and workflow automations. This is where most people fail. They assume more features automatically mean better software. In reality, the best software is the one your team actually uses consistently. If employees struggle to learn the system, productivity can suffer regardless of how powerful the platform is. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide between them. Let's talk reporting. Housecall Pro provides useful business insights and performance metrics that work well for many small and mid-sized businesses. Workiz often appeals to owners who want deeper operational visibility and more customization options. When it comes to growth, both platforms can support expanding companies. However, businesses that rely heavily on inbound calls and lead tracking often find Workiz particularly attractive because of its communication-focused tools. Meanwhile, Housecall Pro continues to stand out for ease of use, customer experience, and faster onboarding. So which one should you choose? Choose Housecall Pro if simplicity, ease of training, and streamlined workflows are your top priorities. Choose Workiz if you want stronger call management, automation capabilities, and more advanced operational controls. The bottom line is simple. Neither platform is universally better. The right choice depends on how your business operates and where you plan to grow over the next few years. If this comparison helped you make a smarter decision, hit the like button, subscribe for more software reviews, and let us know in the comments whether you're leaning toward Housecall Pro or Workiz and why.